Good morning. We're here outside the Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims. I'm here with Zachary Stolz. And Zach, you just argued the Gray case to the Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims, and it was a writ case. And what is it we were seeking in that writ for veterans?
Mr. Gray, like so many veterans, has waited a staggering amount of time at the Board of Veterans Appeals to receive a decision in his case. He's waited going on 4 years. His case has not even been assigned to a board member to adjudicate his case. And we were here to try to get that case to move along and for the Board of Veterans Appeals to adjudicate his case, give him some kind of answer, whether it is yes or no, so that he can know about his case and his entitlement to benefits.
And as a result of filing this writ, it appears that VA changed two of its policies that resulted in sort of line jumping for veterans outside the normal docket order.
I don't know that it is in response to our writ, but it is interesting that VA has changed the way, the Board of Veterans Appeals has changed the way it adjudicates cases. It happened on October 31st that they changed these. The oral argument was today. We've been litigating this case since July, so the timing does line up with the petition that we filed and what we did in court today.
And so it's possible the court will issue an order and a decision that'll give some clarity to how the board manages its docket.
That's our hope. As I said during the case today, I'm very grateful for an independent judicial oversight of the Board of Veterans Appeals. This case makes clear how important this court is and why it needs to be involved in making sure that veterans' cases get adjudicated and decided as quickly and as well and with as much quality as possible.
I'm grateful for independent judicial review today because the writ process, the importance of the writ process has been made even more apparent today. I would urge this court to not accept the Secretary's explanation that he and the board can basically change the docket around to a point at which Mr. Gray and similarly situated veterans that apparently are not chosen to be on a specialty case team, are not chosen to be in One Touch, or are not chosen to be in whatever docketing situation the board is trying out that month. There would be no oversight into that process without this. And the answer should not be that Mr. Gray will get a decision when he gets a decision, and someday the legacy backlog will be cleared. There has to be some compliance with 38 U.S.C. 7107 and the congressional dictate to work cases in docket order, that the Board of Veterans Appeals should work these cases in a reasonable docket order without an allowance for invalid line jumping and invalid delays. Thank you, Your Honors.